Welcome to Secrets Revealed, How I Created My Own Urban Jungle Haven. Are you dreaming of escaping the concrete jungle and immersing yourself in a lush oasis? Look no further. In this video, I will take you on an inspiring journey, revealing the secret behind turning any urban space into a green haven. Get ready to dive into the world of urban gardening and discover the astonishing beauty of a true urban jungle. The urban jungle concept. Before we delve into the secrets of creating your own urban jungle, let's talk about what an urban jungle actually is. An urban jungle is a clever way to maximize greenery in a limited space, transforming apartments, balconies, or rooftops into thriving ecosystems bursting with plants. It's all about bringing nature into the concrete jungle and finding harmony between urban living and the natural world. Choosing the right plants. The key to a successful urban jungle lies in selecting the right plants. Start by assessing the amount of sunlight your space receives. Some plants thrive in direct sunlight, while others prefer shade. From resilient succulents to vibrant tropical plants, there is a vast variety to choose from. Don't be afraid to mix different species to create a diverse and visually appealing atmosphere. Designing your space. Now that you have chosen your plants, it's time to design your urban oasis. Think about the layout, colors, and textures you want to incorporate. Hanging plants, vertical gardens, and trellises are great for maximizing space. Consider using different plant sizes and heights to create depth and visual interest. Get creative with containers and use repurposed objects like mason jars, wooden crates, or colorful pots to add a unique touch to your design. Maintaining your urban jungle. Keeping your urban jungle thriving requires some level of care and maintenance. Regular watering, pruning, and fertilizing are essential. Be sure to learn about the specific needs of each plant in your urban oasis. Some may require more water, while others prefer drier conditions. Make sure you provide the right environment for your plants to flourish. Benefits of urban gardening. Creating your own urban jungle goes beyond aesthetics. Urban gardening has numerous benefits. It improves air quality by reducing pollution, boosts mental well-being by providing a calming environment, and enhances biodiversity by attracting birds, bees, and butterflies. Additionally, nurturing plants can be therapeutic and help you disconnect from the hustle and bustle of city life. Congratulations! You now know the secrets behind creating your very own urban jungle haven. With the right plants, strategic design, and proper care, you can transform any urban space into a green paradise. Embrace the beauty of nature and enjoy the tranquility it brings even in the heart of the city. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on urban gardening. Thanks for watching.